Welcome everyone. Today I don't want you to just watch this video, I want you to feel it. Stop for a second, pause your scrolling, sit straight, take a deep breath, and ask yourself this question. If nothing changes in my life, where will I be in 5 years? Same habits, same excuses, same complaints, same dreams, still just dreams? That thought should scare you. Because the truth is simple. Your life is not stuck. Your life is shaped by your daily choices. You don't decide your future once. You decide it every single day. When you wake up and hit snooze, when you choose entertainment over learning, when you scroll instead of building, when you say, "I'll start tomorrow," those small moments are not small. That is your future being written in real time. Success is not one big opportunity. It is small disciplines repeated daily. If you improve just 1% every day, imagine who you become in a year. Your habits are either building your dream or destroying it quietly. If you read 10 pages a day, that's thousands of pages a year. If you practice a skill 1 hour daily, that's hundreds of hours of progress. But if you waste 3 hours a day doing nothing important, that's over 1,000 hours gone. Time is neutral. It will either reward you or expose you. The choice is yours. And let me tell you something important. You will not feel motivated every day. Even the most successful people in the world don't wake up excited all the time. Look at someone like Cristiano Ronaldo. Do you think he trains only when he feels good? No. He trains because he is disciplined. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. If you only act when you feel inspired, your feelings will control your future. The problem is not that you are weak. The problem is that you escape hard things. When something feels uncomfortable, you avoid it, you delay it, you distract yourself. But growth lives inside discomfort. You're scared to speak English? Speak anyway. You're scared to post your work? Post anyway. You're scared to fail? Fail anyway. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is action despite fear. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for someone to tell you that you are ready. Nobody is coming to choose you. You must choose yourself. Think about J.K. Rowling. She faced rejection again and again before success. Imagine if she waited for someone to believe in her. She believed in herself first, and that belief changed her life. The world respects confidence, but confidence begins within you. Right now, your biggest enemy is distraction. Your phone, notifications, endless videos, endless noise. Your attention is being stolen daily, and without focus, nothing meaningful gets built. Imagine giving 1 year of pure focus to your dream. No excuses, no comparison, no drama, just effort. Your life would look completely different. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you've tried before and failed. Maybe you feel behind everyone else. But you are not behind. You are not weak. You are not finished. You are one decision away from a different path. One decision to wake up earlier. One decision to learn. One decision to stop complaining. One decision to fight harder. The difference between average and extraordinary is not talent. It is consistency. It is showing up on days when you don't feel like it. It is doing the work when nobody is watching. It is keeping promises to yourself. That is where real power comes from. So don't just feel inspired after this video. Don't just say, "That sounded good." Do something. Right after this ends, take one action. Write your goals. Plan your day. Practice your skill. Remove one distraction. Start small, but start now. 5 years from today, you will either say, "I'm glad I started," or "I wish I had started." And regret is heavier than effort. So stand up, fix your posture, take a deep breath, and tell yourself, "I am responsible, I am capable, and I start now." Thank you for watching. Take action today, not tomorrow. See you in the next one. Stay strong.